So today for geometry, we're going to talk about finding the area of different figures. So you should have some cards that look like this that you've cut out of the worksheet. So please make sure you've got all of those cut out. You should have 5 of them. Once you've got your cards cut out, the next thing I need you to do is I need you to take a straight edge and I need you to draw a vertical line and then outline one of those things. So that makes the letter H. So I have the letter H here. All right, and this stands for the height of this rectangle. Once you've done that, do all the cards. They have H's on them that are red. And then what I want you to do is I want you to take a different color. It doesn't have to be red. It could be any color. And I want you to draw a horizontal line across here. And you see now that I had the H that was red, and now with the blue, it closes up the bottom of the H, which if I draw that line there, this is a B. So that stands for the base. So in elementary school, when you're finding the area of a figure, you did length times width. So on this figure, it would be 5 times 3. As you get into upper levels of math, we don't talk about the length and the width anymore. Now we're talking about the base and the height. So we've got the base and the height. And I know that those are the base and the height because they always come together at a right angle. So I've got my base down here and my height down here. So you're going to fill in a bunch of charts for us. And so the first thing you're going to do is you are going to find the perimeter and the area of this figure. So the perimeter and the area, fill it in, what numbers did you use, and so forth. Then you're going to be asked to double a dimension. So the first dimension you're going to be doubling is the base. So I'm going to lay my cards out like this. And so now the base of my rectangle is 10 and the height is 3. So once again, find the perimeter and area. And then you're going to add on a third card and do it again and so forth. With all your cards, fill in the chart and then look for observations. Once you're done with that, you're going to start with your original card again, but instead of doubling the base, now we are going to be doubling the height. So the height is now 6 and the base is 5. So once again, fill in the perimeter and area and look for observations. Once you've done that, then you're going to be doubling 2 dimensions, which means you're going to be doubling the base as well as the height, and you'll fill that in. So you'll start with your original card, which was 3 by 5, and then you'll do your base and your height. So now the base, the base of this is 10, the height is 6. What are the perimeter and area of this? You don't have room or don't have enough cards to continue on the next part, but you will just use the numbers because you should start to be seeing some patterns. And so then you'll answer some questions about those, thinking about the effect of doubling one dimension or both dimensions, or tripling one dimension or both dimensions of a figure on its perimeter and area. So if you could complete that, that would be great. Thank you so much.